Hello guys, welcome to this channel. And this channel I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to become a Golang developer. This is going to be the first playlist, which is going to give you the fundamental understanding of Golang. So I will prepare the topics in advance, so on the way we are not gonna miss anything. So I prepared 10 fundamental topics which gonna help you to understand Golang better. The first part is introduction to Golang and setup environment. We will discuss how to set up the environment also. Okay, the first part is introduction and setup. The goal of this video is to understand what's Go, where to use it, and where it's being used. Install Go. I'll show you where you can install the Golang. Also run your first Golang program and understand the structure of Golang program. This is the goal of this video. So let us start. What is Go? Go is a compiled and statically typed programming language, which is created by Google. Which make why Google at the first place build this programming language, because Golang is fast and simple. Because there is a fast language, C or C++. You can use C or C++, but it's complex to build large infrastructures, and Python is simple, but it's too slow for the larger systems. It's gonna consume a lot of memory also. So Google wants a programming language which is fast, scalable, and reliable system to build the reliable system. So they created Golang. Golang being used in the backend systems, API development, microservice development, payment systems, and authentication services. Also, it's being used in the cloud and DevOps environments. Golang being used to develop Docker and Kubernetes and Terraform, which are the tools being used by DevOps engineers and cloud engineers. Okay. The other thing is Golang is being used in the high performance systems like Kafka, real-time systems, streaming. It's also being used in the CLI, kubectl, which is help us to communicate with the Kubernetes, Docker. There is the Docker command, which is help us to communicate with Docker daemon, also a Terraform. What make Golang special? Golang is compiled programming language. That means we are not required to have interpreter on that machine. For example, to run a Python program, you need to install a Python software in advance. Golang is compiled programming language. That means it's natively compiled and it doesn't require you to have interpreter. Also very fast, almost as fast as C and C++. As we all know, C and C++ are the most fastest programming language. It has also built-in concurrency, which is like a thread, but it's just a concurrency, just like a parallelism, without using third-party libraries. Also, the syntax of Golang is too simple. We will see the syntax, and it's gonna be as easy as Python, I think. Okay, to install Golang, you have to go to this website, go.dev/dl, and you can find a lot of versions of Go. You have to install the latest. This video, we are not going to see how to download it. If you don't have Golang download on your system, please go and download it and install it. It's straightforward. It doesn't require a specialty to download and install. So please pause the video and download the Golang package and install it, and came back. After downloading, you have to verify the Golang version using Go version. When you enter Go version, it will give you the package, the version you have on your system. Currently I have Golang 1.25.6 version. I think it's a previous version. If you confirm you have a Golang program on your machine, we can start practicing. Let us write our Golang first code. If you have an IDE, please use one of the IDE you have. Let's say, I don't think I have something here. Sorry. Okay, let's say code. I will use VS Code. So you can use any ID you want. Install the extension using Go. If you are using VS Code, you can install the extension Go. You have to install it to highlight the syntax. It will help you to format it also. So you better install it. You better install this extension. Let us start main.go. After creating main.go, let's create a package. In Golang, every program belongs to one package. If we create a package main, which means it is executable program. Let us import. Import is used to import other library, the library that we want to include it in our program. Okay, after that, func main. Let me write down the function and we will discuss what each part's doing. Okay. Okay. This is our first Golang program. The first part is declaring the package. Every Golang program belongs to the package. After that, we import FMT. It is another package. We imported or we include this library into our code. Then we are going to use that library in our function. To declare a function, we need to create a func keyword, which is the keyword to create a function. The function, if you don't know about the function, we will have separate video about what's the function, how to create the functions, type of function. So you don't have to worry, but this is the main function, which is the entry point of the code or the program. After that, we are going to print this hello world using the FMT library that we import to the terminal. Okay, after saving the code, we can run the Go code using go run main.go. We will use this command to run the Golang without compiling. After that, you will see hello world Golang message, which is this message. We have discussed Golang is a compiled programming language. That means we can convert the source code into the machine code. Let us convert this source code into the machine code. To convert the programming or the source code into the machine code, we use go build then main.go. That means we are going to build this file to the binary. Let us build it. After building, you can see this is a binary file. If we open it using text editor, it will give us a gibberish response. So to run the binary in In Linux, we will use slash then the file name. When we enter it, we will get the message hello world Golang. Okay, this is gonna be the end of this video. So in the next video, we will discuss the variable data types in Golang. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.